Hi, I'm Henry Johnson, the COO of LEHOSTHAIR and WIGS, the name you can trust. As you know, we are the touchable brand that educates, which means we like to stay connected to our customers. So every time you make a purchase from one of our hair care product lines, always know that we're going to provide you with great information on how to utilize each product for the best outcome. So we have provided a QR code on every product so you'll know how to use that product. Here are the simple steps. Let's get started with how to scan our QR codes. If you have an iPhone, go to the camera app. Select the square tab, place your camera over the QR code, and the video should appear at the top. Then select the YouTube video. If you have an Android phone, go to the Google Play Store and type QR Scan Reader by Scan. It's free. After the install, open the app, place the reader over the QR code, select OK, and the YouTube video will begin to play automatically. I hope this made it simple for you, and if you have any questions, please contact us at henry@lehosthair.com, or you can call us at 248-546-4247. And if you want to know more about our products, go online at LEHOSTHAIR.com. Please don't forget to subscribe, press like, and leave a comment down below. Thank you. Bye.